G'day guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 here, and I'm out in the bush today to have a good look at my Rhino-Rack Pioneer platform with the backbone. So what we're going to do is have a quick look at its feature set, and then I'm going to tell you why I decided to go for it on my Hilux. Alright guys, so here we are at the top of the vehicle. So why would you choose the Pioneer platform in the first place? It's quite an expensive option, and you know, a normal set of roof racks are going to do a similar task. Or are they? So the main point of having a platform versus just the roof racks, like 2 bars of course, is that you're going to get a distribution of weight for the items that you put on the vehicle. But not only that, with the Pioneer system that I've chosen, you actually have modularity in the way that you can store things, not just using wonderful tie-down straps with your ratchets and stuff like that. It's actually got a dedicated system like this one here. So right now I'm putting on an extension for my shovel. These Rhino-Rack packs are basically designed to go into the slot, slide through, and then we tighten it up with a special tool. So another thing that Rhino-Rack have actually thought about is, what are you going to do if you want to put a light bar on the top and all those kinds of things like that? Well, check this out. Just under here, if you remove these 3 screws, this comes off, and then you've got a place to route your cables. Get the mounting kit that's, you know, pliable to your light bar or whatever you're going to use up the top there, and then just bolt it down. There you go. It's all going to be neat, it's going to be hidden, and it's going to make the rack and the vehicle look that much better. So, a lot of people get this installed, you know, wherever they purchase it from. It's a lot less hassle that way. But if you are game and you want to give this a bit of a go yourself, Rhino-Rack have made this easy for you. There's a measuring system that's actually built into the rack. Gone are the days of tape measures and rulers and all those things. When you buy it for your specific vehicle, what you'll be able to do is it'll tell you exactly what number you need to line up, and that makes a rack that used to take an hour to assemble a breeze, really. You know, half an hour, maybe less, if you've got a bit of experience assembling things. There is one negative to this system though, is that it actually has a bit of weight. You can feel the extra stiffness, and you know, it adds mass to the vehicle. I don't really know how to put it into words other than the fact that after driving the Hilux for 5 years, I haven't had any issues with, you know, body roll and stuff like that, but I feel that when I'm on the tracks, got something on top, you kind of notice it wanting to lean over a bit more. But I guess that's going to happen pretty much with any system. Okay guys, I think I covered everything in a nutshell there. If you've got any questions, don't forget to hit me up in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Now, I will point one more thing out. That is, you can get the Pioneer platform without the backbone, but I have done a bit of research on this, and the backbone does allow you to carry more of a load. Now, the ultimate thing here with any rack system is it's down to what the manufacturer will allow you to carry on the roof. So this particular system takes the maximum value that can possibly had on my N70 Hilux, so I can put as much as they claim on there, but with the actual removal of the backbone system, you're not going to reach that capacity. So just keep that in mind as well. There is a cost difference. Everything has a cost these days. So as I said, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video.